Okay, so now you can see this meat here. You got to trim out all this fat here. All this silver thing right here, it won't cook. So it will just make the meat very tough, right? So you want to take this out, and you saw this. Now a chuck is from the neck part of the beef. Now chuck and rump and all those cuts are real cheap. Now they try to sell this as expensive meat, but I know these are cheap cuts, and you can really cut this. Now you see here, you can cut this, and for kebabs, when you want to look at this, see, it's nice marbly red. Now trim this fat also. So for kebabs, you want a 1 inch. So this is 1 inch here and 1 inch here. And usually you envelope them with some vegetables or anything like that, and you grill them. Or you can also, now in India, we'll probably make it really small because it's very expensive, this cut of meat. So this is for the kebabs. Now this we are going to grind for making koftas, like seekh kebab or anything like that. So this is how you use good, cheap cut of meat instead of buying tenderloin and sirloin and all. So that's our tip for today when you're cutting kebabs. Okay guys, so we finished trimming our chuck, which was there, and this is what I got. Okay, so I will show you the other part of the chuck where the trimmings and everything we're going to grind to make the other kebabs. But this is going to be our seekh boti kebab, or what do we call cube kebabs, which goes on the. So what I'm going to do is marinate this. Now for this, I will show you the marinade and everything for this. But in this here, as you can see, this is our way of making our fajitas. So this is cut very thin slices. For this, I'm just going to add some salt and pepper and let it sit for some time and grill it, and then we're going to make tacos out of this.